Here is Luna's new toy. It's like a nose cleaner for a baby that she found in the junk that apparently I missed way back when, so last year. Anyway, she loves it. Kicks. It kind of bounces and she's enthralled with it unless she's not. So, see ya. Have a good morning. Gorgeous out. The birds are chirping. I can hear oh, there's nests up there on the solar building. I got these little finches of sorts or what have you. Anyway, it's nice to hear the birds. And it is a gorgeous day. I'm thinking about planting some lavender, like en masse. So we'll see. See ya.